Nipatie Bwana. Wale watu wamesema siwezi olewa, washituke. Nipe Bwana. I wish you can tell the Lord, enter into 3 days of prayer and fasting and tell the Lord, give me a godly man. We raise you nations of power. We raise for you nations of righteousness. Give me a godly man. My Father, we do serious business for you. Give me a godly man. I want an evangelist for a man. But here you are, give me a man with a car. Yes. Nipatie Bwana na unipatie Bwana ako na pesa. Wale watu walisema siwezi toka, siwezi saidika, niende ushago siku 3 nizunguke huko. Huyo bwanangu, niwaite rorasho yangu. Wale walisema siwezi olewa, niwaite rorasho, nitachafua patie Bwana ako na pesa Mungu.